Walmart app problems after an iOS update are usually caused by app permissions, outdated app data, or a version mismatch between the Walmart app and your iPhone. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to fix Walmart issues after an iOS update, including login problems, missing features, and app loading errors. Start by checking whether the Walmart app has the permissions it needs. iOS updates can change app settings, which may disable access to notifications, location, or other features. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down to Walmart, and review the available permissions. Turn on the access needed for the feature you are trying to use. Next, check for a Walmart app update in the App Store. An iOS update and an app update do not always happen at the same time, so the Walmart app may need a newer version to work correctly. Open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check for available updates. Install the Walmart update if one is available. If the Walmart app opens but does not load correctly, force close the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, find Walmart, and swipe it away before reopening it. You should also restart your iPhone. A restart can refresh system processes that affect app performance after a software update. If Walmart is still not working, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes. For problems with account information, sign out of the Walmart app and sign back in. This refreshes the connection between the app and your Walmart account. If the app continues crashing or features remain broken, reinstall Walmart. Delete the app, download it again from the App Store, and sign in with your account. Before reinstalling, make sure you know your Walmart login information because you will need it again after the app is installed. If the issue started immediately after an iOS update and none of these steps work, the problem may require a Walmart app update or a fix from Walmart. To recap, check Walmart permissions, update the app, restart your iPhone, and reinstall Walmart if the problem continues. Your next step is to open the App Store and check for a Walmart update first. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Walmart troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.